Hi all. Now I am going to continue my third module lecture with recognition and award. Recognition can be expressed using verbal and written praise. So whenever an employee is doing a good job, that can be like if you want to award them, that can be expressed using verbal or written praise. Rewards may be in the form of certificates and plaques. Rewards is normally in the form of cinema tickets, dinner for family, etc. The financial compensation for recognition can be paid in terms of increased salaries, commissions, gain sharing, etc. The effort of employees can be recognized by promotions, job assignments, etc. A letter of appreciation from the CEO or the top management will increase the employees' involvement. So here we have some 6 types of how we can reward the employees. First one is a verbal phrasing or a written praise. Second one is in the form of certificates or any memento. Third one is like if you provide any cinema tickets, dinner for the family or some outings. And next one is financial compensation. Increase, like if they pay more salary or commission or gain sharing, it will make the worker to feel more happy and work for the company. And the efforts of the employees can be recognized by promotion, special job assignments. If you can promote like okay, you are doing it good, you can do it better by having this one more special assignment, means they will feel happy for it. And a letter of appreciation from CEO or the top management will increase the involvement of employees still. So these are the different types of recognitions and awards which can be given to the workers. And the next one is performance appraisal. So performance appraisal means it is necessary to provide a good relationship between the employee and the appraiser. So always there should be a good relationship between the employee and the person who is appraising. Employee should be informed about how they are performing on the continuous basis, not just as an appraisal time. So this should not be done only in the time of appraisal. For every academic, for every year, it should be monitored. For every full year, they should be noted, and whatever the continuous improvements they are making in their job should be noted by the person who is appraising. The appraisal should highlight strength and weakness and how to improve the performance. See, this appraisal is for the improvement. So for improving basis, you need to apply the strength and weakness both. Employees should be allowed to comment on the evaluation and protest if necessary. Employees should be given the full rights to comment on the evaluation. So if they feel no, I worked a lot, this has not been evaluated, means they can protest wherever necessary. That rights should be given to the employee. Everyone should understand that the purpose of performance appraisal is to have employee involvement. See, this appraisal is only for improving the employees. Okay, this is not to degrade them. This is only for improving our own company. And errors in the performance evaluation should be avoided. So when we should avoid, the person who is evaluating the performance, he should not make any errors, because that is going to speak the future of another person. So the evaluators should be very careful enough. Unfair and biased evaluation will render poor rating and hence should be eliminated. See, unfair means there should be no partiality, bias, gender biased or whatever the people are, how we behave to one person. If it is not the same behavior we are not following with other person, that should be avoided by the person who is evaluating everything. So this will give a poor rating, and this should be completely eliminated. Overall, the performance appraisal will make the employee to work in the better way, and this will improve the people who are working in the company. Like employee involvement will become more if this appraisal is done correctly. Okay, thank you all.